Balang araw mawawala din yung magulang mo, balang araw mawawala din yung mga kaibigan mo, balang araw mawawala ka din dito sa mundo. And yeah, that's the reality. Hello, this is Bren, and this is my day 2 of improving my public speaking and communication skills. And ang pinakatanong natin ngayon or pinaka-topic, ano nga ba yung pinaka-bagay na kinakatakutan ko right now? And what is this thing trying to teach me? And one thing is death. Not only death, but the death of my loved ones also, syempre. Kinakatakutan ko siya, bro, kasi number one, syempre, isipin mo, you have, nakasama mo sila for a very long time, and then mawawala na lang sila bigla in a sudden way na hindi mo man lang alam kung kailan. Even you, it can either be your friends, family, and for me, mahirap yun and masakit yun. So, ayun yung bagay na talagang kinakatakutan ko. With regards to the thing naman na tinuturo nun sa akin, perhaps tungkol yan sa mahirap sabihin, bro, but yeah, it's very hard question. It's just acceptance doon sa bagay na ginagawa natin. It's just acceptance na hindi na talaga mawawala yun. It's just acceptance na talagang ganun talaga. Ganun, hindi natin mababago yun eh. That's how life works. Life ends. Natatapos talaga yung buhay. And doon lagi tayo nagtatapos. Death. Pwedeng sa pamilya natin, pwedeng sa atin. But one thing to always remember is that nothing stays permanent in this world. Tayo lang talaga yung matitira. Sabog ako ngayon, guys, talaga. Hindi ko So, siguro, in the upcoming days, let's change the day na pag-shoot ng video. Gawin natin umaga para hindi ako inaantok, But yeah, summary is this. Feeling natin, or ito yung kinakatakutan ko. Kasi number one, yun, masakit siya. Masakit talaga siya. And one thing this thing is trying to teach me is, may mga bagay talagang masasakit na mangyayari, but what we need is to fully accept them. Na ganyan talaga yung mangyayari sa buhay natin. But we Stoics believe that death is always near us. Katabi lagi natin yung death. Pero hindi dapat ito yung bagay na kinakatakutan natin. Why? Because it is something that makes us relive. In what way? Paano yung Kuya Bren yung death talagang tinutulungan tayo para mabuhay? In a way na pag alam mo na hindi mo alam kung kailan yung kamatayan mo, maybe bukas, maybe ngayon, maybe later on, who knows, is that mas may enjoy mo yung buhay. Bakit? Kasi everything could end suddenly. And alam mo na itong moment na to, maybe your last. So enjoy mo every single moment. That's what we call in Stoicism na memento mori, or the fear of death. The fear of death ba yun? No, but the reminder na yung death nasa tabi lang natin. And that's for today. That's for day 2 of our public speaking na ako talagang ayusin ko this upcoming days. Pangit yung naging natin ngayon, but okay lang. At least we shoot, and then yes, let's gonna improve this upcoming days. Bye bye, guys.